So we've got our refractory supplier in-house today, so I wanted to talk a little bit about the difference in quality of our product versus our competitor product. So this is Bruce Buckley, he's with Resco, and he is our supplier for the high quality refractory that we put into our equipment.
You've got several products here that they use in their units. You've got your castable on the floor, which is a very good 70% aluminum product, very resistant to alkalis and very good for thermal shock resistance. Then you've got your brick on your sidewalls. All this product is made here in the U.S. Everything in your roof is a very good insulating castable product. All this is proven to be very well. We've gone through many tests and many different products to be able to get to where these units outperform any of the competitors' products.
A lot of the products that we use in our equipment are engineered primarily for this application. Another great feature that we do is we back our brick with 12 inches of insulation, 1900 degree, and it's layered, so your thermal conductivity is not transferred from the inside wall here to the outside of the machine over here. Very insulated, very good product, which Bruce also supplies for us.
And everything's been proven to perform based on the level of furnace that he actually manufactures. It's a lower volume furnace. It's not quite as tough, but it's very tough, all the way up to the higher volumes, which is a superior product that goes in the floors of these and actually performs very well.
A lot of clients consistently ask me, Mike, why the difference in the color of brick? Why you put the fire brick down here? Why you put the soft or insulating brick up here? Well, the answer is because the fire brick will store energy. It's a lot denser product. Once the energy is stored, it releases back to the coldest part of the furnace. That's why half of this primary chamber is lined with fire brick and half with insulating fire brick. The insulating fire brick will dissipate heat, which will actually help cool the primary chamber so that you could load the next case sooner than if you had a full fire brick chamber. If you have anything specific you'd like to see or any ideas, something that I haven't touched upon yet, drop it in the comments below. I'll get the information out to you. Have a great day.